In today's class we will be learning the topic, computer and monitor. A computer is a machine or device that performs processes, calculations and operations based on instructions provided by a software or hardware program. The monitor. The monitor is an output device used to display information. The monitor is also called Visual Display Unit, VDU. It is similar to ordinary television screen. The output on a monitor is called soft copy. This output is available to the user only for as long as another output has not replaced it. Thus, the output in the monitor is temporary. Types of monitor. There are two types of monitors. Monochrome monitor. Colored monitor. Monochrome monitor. Monochrome monitors are very similar to black and white television sets. They display their output in just one color. Colored monitor. Colored monitor can display text and pictures in more than one color. Different types of color monitors have been developed. These are CGA, Color Graphic Adapter, which can display only 16 colors. AGA, Enhanced Graphic Adapter, which displays 64 colors. VGA, Video Graphic Adapter. This can display 262,144 colors. SVGA, Super Video Graphic Adapter. This can display more than 262,144 colors. Cathode ray tube monitors. These are the most common type of monitors for office and the home. They make use of cathode ray tube, CRT. LCD monitors. Liquid crystal display, LCD, monitors were developed because of the bulky nature of CRTs. Unlike the technology used in CRTs, the technology for portable monitors involves liquid crystals. LCD monitors are thinner than CRTs. A monitor is one of the most common output devices which are used to display information, either data or result, on the screen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.